Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly of a 2001 Volvo C70 P80 platform from 98 to 2004, probably the same for most C70s. The owner's having issues with the lights in it. It has 4 bolts that hold it on. Sometime if you look behind here, you'll see 2 more bolts that hold this trim piece on. So this trim piece is held on with 2 bolts. The light assembly is held on with 4. Easiest to take everything out of the trunk, take the carpet out, set it aside. Come in here, remove these clips. One here, one there, one there. If they have a slot in them, you turn them vertical and they're easier to come out. Then you got 2 clips in this thing, which is a pain in the butt. Work this piece of carpeting so that it's you totally remove it or fold it in. Has another clip down there, easier to totally remove it. So let me remove those clips and pull that in. You could take this clip out so that it's easier to get that out as well. I use a clip puller, something like this. Use 2 hands to work this out that way. This actually pulls out of here. Watch you don't break that wire. Unplug the light from it. Gosh, need 2 hands to do that too. Pull this carpeted material out of here. Once you get the carpeted material out of the way, unplug the plug there and take the 4 bolts out. One there, one there, one there, one there. 10 millimeter, and the light assembly will slide out. Look like somebody already had that one out. They lost the nut. You can sometimes reach them, putting a magnet down there. They don't disappear in the never land. Alright, that thing fits in there with 2 pins. Then you can try to work the carpet stuff around it, put the rest of the carpet in, and you're done. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.